This has metallic in the paint too. That orange is really pretty. Okay. It's got a key on the side. The pegs are about where my legs go, so it's kind of hard to know where to put them. Oh yeah. Oh man, this clutch is like so light. That's crazy. That is so light. Seems a little jerky. You have to brake pretty hard actually. Oh yeah. Feels good. This feels really good. I feel like, yeah, the throttle's pretty responsive on this. The seat's kind of hard, but that might be a good thing, because sometimes I feel like a hard seat actually like holds you better from like feeling all the rumbles. The shifter is like short throw, super easy to feel that it's shifting. It's really close to your foot, so don't have to go far to try to get it. I actually kind of wondered about how the dash would look, but the sun's shining directly on it and I can see it, so that's good. It's got your fuel. This says it only has 3 miles on it, so this is a new bike. This is pretty, like, a little bit jerky, but if it only has 3 miles on it, it's probably like brand spanking new. It feels good, as in like the way you turn. I don't want to freak anybody out if I start turning like a lot. I actually feel like they're a little bit behind me. Yeah, something about the brake is like, I don't really feel like it brakes actually very good, but maybe what I'm used to is something else. Yeah. This doesn't take any effort either. We're in a place that we don't know where we're at, so we're just trying to figure it out as we go. I went over some like rough like pothole like things, and I don't hardly feel much. It feels pretty good. There's not a rev counter on here or a RPM gauge, but it tells you your gear indicator and your speed and stuff, so that's how do I look? Yeah, I know. I like this orange actually. The controls are very basic, so I don't even see any buttons unless you can touch the screen, but I don't know if it's touch screen or not. I feel like I'm in a good position. My feet are just a little bit behind me and I'm leaning just a little bit forward, but it's pretty close to neutral. I actually feel like it likes being in a little bit lower rev, like if I shifted down right now going 25 to second gear, it might be a little jerky. This overall feels really good. It's just a little jerky and the brake is a little hard to press, but I think it could be just where it's new. It literally has 5 miles on it now, and I've put on 2 of those. I keep thinking like this will get smoother. Like I said, it's kind of just a little bit jerky, but I think it'll get smoothed out, and then it will be like perfect. No, that was me. Their sign back there said honk for Trump. wanted to hear it. 6,800. See, like that's a pretty good price for this. I like this. Oh yeah, this is a very easy bike stand-up one too. Yeah. Yep. This has no issue getting up to speed. Gosh, a squirrel. Yeah, I've seen it. Oh, goodness. The motor's good. It's got some good up and go. The throttle is really good as far as like taking off. It's pretty, like I said, it's actually a little bit jerky, but I think it's just where it's so new. And then the shifting's good. The clutch is super light. Like, I almost wish I had a little bit more feel in it, actually, because I feel like I can't really feel it very well. But the brake is actually my only complaint, really. I pressed the brake in and it doesn't want to, I feel like it's not stopping fast as it should. So I was trying to use the rear brake too. Does this have like single disc brakes? Okay. Even though I rode other single disc, so I don't know. Sharp turn here. Doing good. Turning is great. I almost wanted to turn my signal off, but I didn't turn it on because that wasn't a turn, that was just the road. I could see how, like, if you got used to this bike, how hopping on other bikes might feel a little weird, because it does like to stay, like, it actually wants to be, like, when you're shifting down, you need to be going pretty slow to go down a gear, if that makes sense. Like so that would make it to where you don't really shift down that much, really. That was bumpy there. but I didn't feel bad. It felt good on here. But what I was saying is, like, so I would normally, like, if I'm in the 30s, I could go ahead and go down to third gear, but this actually wants you to stay in fourth gear until you get down in your 20s for it to be smooth. But if you got on another bike and done that, it might feel kind of jerky. Just the way this feels. Because if I shift down too soon, it's like the revs are still high. Okay. I was like, I'm so close, but it was beating my legs up. Thank you, kind sir. Okay, now we gotta turn it off on the side. Yeah. Yeah, I liked it. It's just where it's new, it's a little jerky, but yeah.